Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A33 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and choose themes. Now you need to click on themes at the bottom left corner and tap on the search bar. Then type in wherever you wish to or pick one of those options. I will go with just color pink. Then you need to click on themes over here and select the best one for you. I will go with that one. Following that, click on download, wait a bit. And tap on apply. Then you need to wait again. And now as you can see, theme of my smartphone has changed. But you can always go back into the default one by going into settings one more time, scrolling down, choosing themes, and clicking on menu at the bottom right corner. Then select my stuff over here, click on themes section, and in order to go back into the default one, click on it and select apply in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!